All right, great day to be great. Check out this new website I learned how to make. It is smooth, professional, and I'm gonna take you through step by step of how I made it. Also, you'll see this website is responsive, meaning if somebody pulls it up on a phone, it looks clean. Your words and pictures aren't jumbled up. It's nice. All right, let's do it. Boom, let's close that. Let's close this, and let's start. I will use Visual Studio Code. It's gonna be like a travel, vacation, home themed website. So go ahead and make a new folder. There you go, travel. In the description, you will see, I'll put a link to the images that we're gonna use for the website. Go ahead, download that to your desktop, put it into your travel folder, and then drop this into Visual Studio Code. And then it'll pop it up. Now let's go create a new file, index.html. This is where we put the structure of our web page, everything on there. Let's go ahead and make a folder for CSS. We are creating an external style sheet, is what I'm doing right here. Style.css. This will allow us to save time and keep our website flexible so that we can adjust it on this one sheet. Okay, boom, boom. And we can get started. So you always want to start off with your doc type, HTML, and everything always needs to be wrapped in HTML tags. That's an open tag, and then that's a closing tag. And then you want to put your head tags. This is where you'll put all your links. What helps me remember what the head tag is for, it's kind of like your brain, your head. Your brain is in your head, so you think about stuff. This is what your website thinks about. You don't see it. But then you got your body. Everything on your body is what you see. So everything in the body tags, that'll be what's on your website. Okay. Good. And now the first thing we're going to do in our head tag is our title. We'll create like a business name, call it Ocean Views. Ocean Views. And save that. Go ahead, save that. And then if you don't have go live right here, go to these extensions right here, type in live. It'll be a live server, and that'll allow you to look at your progress. Boom, live server. So here I got my title, Ocean Views. Okay? Ocean Views. And next, we're gonna do a meta tag. This tag will allow us to create our website to be responsive so that it flows from every device, phone, tablet, desktop. Viewport, content equals width equals device dash width, comma, initial dash scale. Okay? Equals 1.0. Good. And don't forget the closing angle bracket. Boom, boom. Nice. Now, the next tag we're going to use in our head is linking our CSS. So we'll go link. Rel stands for relationship. It is a style sheet. And then href. This is sending you, this is looking for the source file. So it is in the CSS folder. See how we created the CSS folder? And it is looking for the style.css. That's what we called it. And then close that. the closing angle bracket. Boom, boom. What I like to do to make sure that it's linked correctly, go ahead and put your universal styles in first. Whoops. This is just how to make comments in our CSS. Don't worry about how many stars I put. I just like to organize my work. Good. That closed the style, and now we're gonna go, the symbol for the universal selector is the asterisk, and we're gonna go margin 0 and padding 0. And then just to make sure that it's linked correctly, I'll go background color, and just put like an aqua just to see if we're linked correct. Nice, we're good. All right, so we just don't need that. But I know now my spreadsheet, my worksheet is good. It's linked together. What we're also gonna do for this site, this is how to put a comment in HTML. And we're gonna put a bootstrap link. And this bootstrap link will just also help with the layout. So first copy this right here, paste, and we're gonna change the file that we want it to look for. We're gonna go open up your browser and then go bootstrap CDN and click this first link, official CDN of Bootstrap, and copy this right here, CSS. Copy it, close that now, and put that in your href. Good. And then we got da-da-da-da-da. Good, good, good. All right, we're good with the head tags. Awesome. We're set up and we're ready to start.